Are you still using printed papers in your warehouse? Are you using expensive RF scanners? Are you struggling to handle peak season without extra software cost? Introducing the most disruptive technology innovation in 2022 that is taking warehouse management to a whole new level. Your team can now replace expensive RF scanners and complicated warehouse management solution simply on your mobile device. Say hello to Digital WMS by DynamicsLead. Improve your stock accuracy with precision-guided location details of your stock. Improve picker performance and get goods picked faster with high accuracy. Experience an innovative solution from DynamicsLead to scan all types of barcodes and QR codes, and if needed, integrate your existing Bluetooth scanners within seconds. Monitor your picker's performance. Reduce your warehouse employees' walking distance with artificial intelligence. Improve your stock accuracy. And the best part, there's no need for training new recruits. It's all gamified within the app. So, what else do you get with Digital WMS? You get to be an early adopter with an early mover's advantage to try out this first-of-its-kind innovation in the market for a significant head start against your competition. You can also improve your sustainability footprint and contribute to the global net zero goal by eliminating all your paper and printing needs. It's an all-in-one warehouse management solution that can integrate directly into any ERP solution, Microsoft and SAP to name a few. Transform your warehouse into a powerhouse today. Get all this and more with Digital WMS by DynamicsLead.